Fall is here, and you can't argue with sales. Traditional fall colors in the gold and oranges, accented with a little warm cream color, and we're going to put that design into a beautiful container that has a little bit of metallic gold to give it that pop of color and a fresh new look. This bush has been created with everything you need to create two designs. We're going to do that and accent it with the sage color silver dollar eucalyptus. So let's get started. Here we have the two companion pieces that are beautiful, made with the one bush. Now keep in mind there is a coordinating wreath that you'll see right here. And on one side I've used that sage color silver dollar eucalyptus to add to it to give it a little bit of a different look. You can see it's fine without, but it adds just a little bit more depth and interest when we add the silver dollar euc. So great products for you to remember sales, traditional fall.